Hey and welcome to my New Year reset video. My house was a disaster after Christmas and having all 6 kids home for 2 weeks. So I just wanted to get cleaning and organising, getting into every single nook and cranny of this house because I want to start this year feeling fab with a clean, tidy space. We deserve clean, tidy spaces this year, so I hope this video gives you some sort of motivation if you are cleaning and organising, decluttering. This is a judgment-free zone. No matter your starting point, we are getting our houses back to shape. Our playroom was an embarrassing state, but it's fine. We are going to sort it. We are going to claim the room back and feel good about it. Who cares if it's a mess again tomorrow? We are going to do this together, and let's get to it. So I'm just starting off this video in the kitchen because I just wanted to sort out this room before I moved on to the rest of the house, because I didn't need to do too much in this room. I just needed to fill up the dishwasher. I gave the sink a good clean, wiped down all the sides, gave the room a hoover and a mop so it was feeling nice and fresh. But I didn't actually need to do any decluttering in here. Well, I do actually need to do some decluttering in here, but I haven't got around to it in this video, so hopefully that will be in some future videos coming up. I just wanted to add as well that I really hope that you are having a lovely start to the new year so far and that you're looking forward to the new year ahead. We have some lovely things planned already for 2024, but January is definitely going to be a month of reset for me, and it definitely starts with the house. I don't know what it is, but I just want to bin everything. I've just got an itch to minimalize and sort everything out, and it just feels some sort of sanity again with 8 people living in this house. It's all about creating systems, I think, for us to keep on top of the housework this year. Right, so now moving on to the room of doom. Remember I said this was a judgment-free zone, guys. Honestly, when the kids were off school, I just didn't see much of a point of giving this room a good sort out, as they just came in here every day and pulled things out, and they were playing with all of their new Christmas bits, which I needed to find homes for. So when they went back to school, it was definitely my window of opportunity to get this room back up together again and a nice room for them to play in. So we are just going to start off in the room by putting all of the toys away. I mean, where else would we start? And also just putting everything back to its rightful place. This little corner is going to change over the next couple of weeks because I have their new play kitchen, which is also from Christmas, but it hasn't been built yet, which will be going into this corner too. But I had such fun organising this little area out with all of their new little bits and bobs from Christmas. Sometimes I don't know who the playroom is for more, me or the kids. Next, we're going to be having a quick clean and tidy in the living area because I still have this pile of toys once again from Christmas and bits that need to go away. So now that there was room in the playroom, I decided to tackle this corner so that I could move our mirror back and get our olive tree back into this room. So I apologise if my camera quality seems a bit off in this video. My camera broke, so I am waiting to hear back from the insurance for when it is coming back to me, and then hopefully I'll have some better quality videos again. But now we are in the girls' room and I have just pulled out this bed over here so that I can really get behind it, clean the skirting behind it, hoover behind it, dust all around the window. Other things on my to-do list, which I'm hoping to get round to this January, is to take down the girls' curtains and the canopy and give them a wash because they are just gathering dust around the top now. They haven't been washed for a while and I think they could just do with a nice freshen up. So yeah, January is definitely my month to try and tick all of these little niggly jobs off my list. And now I am just changing the girls' bedding because they still have some Christmas bedding on their bed. I do absolutely love this bedding, but yeah, it was time for it to go. Also, the amount of squishmallows and cuddly toys that my girls have on their beds, they absolutely love them. I wanted to be that mum that would just have an aesthetic, nice bed with not a soft toy inside, all the soft toys hidden away, but I have admitted defeat because they just have so many now and they like to have them on their bed. So yeah, who am I to argue with that? Time to sort out all of the clothing. So this was another thing I wanted to get around on my list of things for January and for the new year. So if you followed my channel, then last year I did a New Year reset series where I decluttered a lot. So the drawers and wardrobes and things aren't too bad, but they just still needed another going over. I will leave links to my other decluttering videos down below if you are interested in seeing those. I did get rid of a lot of things in those videos, but here it just needed a good tidy. I needed to make sure that it was all still clothing that fits her, that she still wears. This is Amora's clothes under the bed. Just give it a good tidy up so that we know where each category of clothing is nice and easily, so everything's easy to find and also to put away when I have done washing. I'm just going to give the Barbie house a dust down and a tidy up, put all of the furniture back to where it should be, remove the mini Christmas tree. Look how cute that little Christmas tree is. I mean, I'm blocking it right this second, but I love that little Christmas tree. But yeah, it's time for it to go back in with the Christmas decorations now. And yeah, this house is like looking after my second mini home, but I secretly love it. Then I organised out this pyjama drawer and just made sure it was tidy again. I'll admit I didn't do this on the same day that I did the rest of this cleaning, but I just wanted to share it with you as well. Just tidying up all the pyjamas. I got rid of some that didn't fit them anymore, and there's lots of room now for more pyjamas. I know that there's a load in the wash that need to come and be folded, so at least I know I've got lots of room for those pyjamas, and these are all the ones that they have grown out of, which I will store in the attic for one of the younger kids. Now we are moving on into the younger twins' room, and we have got this lovely pile of clothes over here on the floor, but there is method to my madness. I was dumping items there because I knew I wanted to go through their wardrobe and go through their drawers like I have done in the other girls' room, so I wanted to not put clothes away really until I'd sorted through that. So method to my madness, even though it looks a state on the floor, I'm going to change all of their bedding for them. I'll go through the wardrobes and go through their clothes, get rid of what doesn't fit them anymore, exactly the same as what I've done in the other room, and then I will put all of that clothing away. massive pile of clothes is now tackled, and all of the clothes in this room are sorted and organised. I know where everything is. It just feels fresh. Sometimes just giving everything a little bit of a reorganise just makes it just feel fresher. And how many times am I going to say fresh in this video? Honestly, you must be sick of it, but you know what I mean. It just gives such a nice feeling, and I just know where everything is. So I'm moving on to the next day now. Well, I finished off in this room. I did dusting and I have hoovered the floor and just made sure everything was nice and tidied, and then that is going to be this room done. And then I'm ending today's video by changing the bed sheets, because what is the point in a lovely clean home and having musty, dusty bed sheets on? Our bed actually needs a good deep clean, but that is a task for another day. But we have that nice fresh bed sheet feeling for this evening, and that is going to bring me to the end of today's video. I really hope that you have enjoyed it, and I hopefully will see you in a video again soon. Bye guys.